Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some deep fried ribs. Stick around. All right, so I have pre-seasoned my meat. I wanted them to go overnight. Sorry, but I just used a simple seasoning, a barbecue rub. Very simple. Yep, there we go. Just that, healthy amount, and we let them set overnight. Look good, smelling delicious. Let's get started. All right, we're just gonna stick these in here, get a good coating on them, let them set up, do it again. Get my tray over here set up. Got some good pieces. Got some all right pieces. I'm here to tell you, this is gonna be delicious. If you ain't never had fried ribs, you're in for a treat. Get these finished up, I'll bring you back. All right, I'm liking how they look. Time to put them in some grease. Got ahead of myself, I dropped that first batch. I'll be sure to tune you in on the next drop. But we'll let these go. We're gonna let them go for 15 minutes. We'll bring you back. We'll pull them out, see what we got, and move on to the next batch. Alrighty. They looking good. Country fried goodness. Beautiful. Side. Give them a little hand protection. And drop them in. We got the rib tips and everything. There you have it. Bring you back when we pull them out. Alrighty. Telling y'all, these are right. Smelling delicious. I'm ready to eat. Gotta wait for the family. Maybe. Well, I got a couple more things I gotta cook anyway. Got me some squash. Think I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. Sounds good. How's it sound to you? Bring you right back. I'm gonna shut this down. The lad boys out of here. All right, there you have it. Lovely, delicious. Now I'm gonna try them, but I'm gonna let them cool down. And I got some other stuff going on. I'll come back in a second. Got me some zucchini. It's smelling really, really good. Got a little salt, pepper, garlic, a little butter, olive oil. Yeah, that's what it's about. Alrighty, there she is. Looking lovely, looking delicious. Come on now. Come on now. I know you with me. See right there. That's why I like to marinate my meat overnight. As long as I'm chewing, I want to taste it. I want that flavor to keep going. I don't want to go bland on me. Good flavor. Tender. A must try. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about it. Hell, tell a friend to subscribe. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.